Well, it is still snowing in the upper Midwest. We're several days into this now. Chicago, Illinois, 29 right now. About 15, 20 minutes ago, you couldn't hardly see anything on this camera. It was snowing so hard. So that's what they're dealing with up north. For us, we've got temperatures in the 70s. It's going to be the warmest day today that we'll have for a little while, as another cold front will slide through tonight, early tomorrow morning, and bring us much cooler temperatures for Saturday. Mix of clouds and sun this afternoon, mid and upper 70s for your afternoon temperatures. And it's as we get into this evening that the clouds really thicken up, and that's when we could see some isolated showers around. As early as 6, 7 o'clock this evening, we could see 1 or 2 pop up, and then those rain chances are going to continue to go up as we go through the evening and overnight hours towards that front moving through early tomorrow morning. Temperatures this afternoon, again, mid and upper 70s. Those winds east, southeast or so, they're going to be fairly light, though, and those temperatures will have a hard time dropping off tonight. Mainly, again, we've got a lot more humidity in the atmosphere, and also got those clouds around that kind of acts as a little bit of an insulation there. So even at midnight, only around 66 degrees for a valley average temperature. Those rain chances 20 to 30% heading up to the midnight hour, but the front will be coming through early tomorrow morning. Highs today, again, mid and upper 70s inland, near 70 degrees there along the coast. Valley average high for the day now 73. Not too far off from that. Southeast winds today at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Then overnight tonight, that front will slide through. It's going to be early in the morning, so 60s to near 70 degrees midnight. We'll drop down into the 40s to near 50 degrees for some of us tomorrow morning, low to mid 50s elsewhere. And then these temperatures are not going to warm up a lot from there for tomorrow afternoon. That is our next weather makers, the cold front moving southward. And then we also have an area of low pressure expected to develop just offshore. And so first the winds as that front slides through. You can see by about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, making its way through the valley, and those winds are a little bit stronger behind the front. It'll die off a little bit by late tomorrow, but we still could see some winds gusting up around 20 to 30 miles per hour for tomorrow morning into the first part of the afternoon. There's your afternoon high temperatures tomorrow. Struggling to make it down to the mid and upper 50s with those rain chances. Highest as you go further east, 70% coastal areas, 50 to 60% chance lower valley, and then 30% chance as you go westward. And again, it's that setup. We've had this quite a bit over the last few weeks where you get the cool air coming in at the surface, moisture aloft, and then the coastal area of low pressure acts as a little lifting mechanism. Kind of puts us in that drizzly, light rainy pattern. Not expecting a lot of heavy rain across the area. In fact, rainfall estimates maybe 1/4 to a 1/2 inch for some. That's going to be about it. That's going to be for, it says Wednesday to Friday morning, but this is going to be going through Saturday evening. And Climate Prediction Center, Weather Prediction Center rather, shows Saturday through Tuesday, again, about 1/4, 1/2 inch there as well. So there's not going to be any drought busting rains for those that are starting to get back into that abnormally dry weather pattern. Valley Storm Team Weather app is available for free in your app store. With that, you can track the weather not just here in the valley, but wherever your travels may take you. So tomorrow, Marco and I are going to make it a Christmas movie day because it's cool. It's going to be one of those, it's going to look and feel like Christmas. Going back in the upper 60s on Sunday and then back in the 70s Monday. And we're still looking beyond this 7-day forecast for some possibly colder air around Christmas.